So AI is probably the biggest talk of the town in the last 6 months, and we are all excited about it. Some of us are concerned about it as well, but what we can say is everyone, almost every agency or every user is using generative AI tools like ChatGPT to some extent. So as a writer, if you're using AI for content creation, there are some things you should always look out for. It's not a one-time solution where you can use it for every kind of thing, but it shouldn't be something that you should be scared of using it as well. So let's look at some of the pointers that you should follow as a content writer when using generative AI tools for content creation. The first thing is AI is a great tool for creating structure or outlines, as we say. If you have a brief in mind, if you have a topic in mind, you can always feed it into AI and get a well-concise, SEO optimized outline for, and then you can change it or write according to it as it suits your own needs. The second best thing about using AI is you can always find relevant examples and data to support your content. As we know, the natural language models the database is limited to 2021, but thanks to the use of plugins and third-party APIs, we can now actually browse the web in real time with AI. So whenever you need any data, any examples to support your content, you can use AI to get that. But of course, use your own due diligence. Don't just rely on the data itself. It can be sometimes inaccurate or false. AI has the tendency to do that. So whenever you source some data using AI, always scrutinize it and assess it before using it. And the third good thing about AI is it has a great sense of tone. So if you're writing something, if you have a paragraph, let's say, and you want to guide it to a specific tone, maybe you want it to be very professional and tight and concise, or maybe you want it to be very engaging and appealing and exciting, you can actually ask AI to transform that for you, and it works really well. But here are the drawbacks. Here's what you shouldn't use it for. Definitely don't rely it to write entire contents for you. There's the issue of transparency here, and there's the issue of delegation here. You shouldn't delegate your tasks to AI. You should always use it only to support your own creativity. The second thing is ChatGPT is not the only generative AI tool out there. There are other resources as well. Google Bird is really good. It's been doing some good work with real-time integration with Google's own database. So it can be used to get really good information to support your content. Bing's own AI is being developed, and it has done some really good work as well compared to ChatGPT. So don't limit yourself to one tool. Use every resource available to support your content and to support your creativity. And the third thing is, if you're using AI within the context of a business or an agency like we do, you should always be guided by a specific policy, as we are going to talk about in the coming videos. The importance of AI policy is very, very critical. Always have a policy to guide your activities in AI, and also always have data privacy in mind. So that's all from me. Just want to emphasize, as a technical writer, always use AI for outlines, structure. Never delegate your tasks to AI completely. Use it to support your creativity, and always have a policy in mind. Thank you.